Let's take a look at how to cite Instagram in the Harvard style for your reference list or works cited paper. So the core elements that you will need, first and foremost in this order, is some kind of authorship. Now this may be the Instagram account holder or the poster. So we're looking for a surname, then the comma and the initial, followed by the full stop. Following on from that, we have the year posted in round brackets and the title of the post, which is in single quotation marks. Following that, we have in square brackets Instagram, full stop, and then the day or the month, the posted message if available. Next up, we state available at colon and then copy and paste the website address into your reference list at that point. And finally, in round brackets, we have accessed colon and then you enter the date at which you last accessed that information. And that is how to successfully cite Instagram for your reference list in the Harvard style. If you'd like a template to enable you to copy and paste that into your own work and edit it with your own information, do check out the description below. And whilst you're there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to start learning for free now. Hit that like button and drop a comment below.